Are we live? Yeah. Okay. I am going to be installing this motor mount, engine mount, whatever you want to call it. I call it an engine mount because an engine is gasoline powered, or I guess you could call it, and a motor is electrical.
So you're saying a fucking engine's a fucking air pump?
Why you say that?
What's the fucking point of an engine?
It sucks in air.
It sucks in air. You mix that air with fuel and spark, and you get a loud bang in the engine.
That's what she said.
So it pumps air and farts it out.
So it's a fart machine.
Yep.
Yes.
So an engine is a fart machine.
With VVTi.
VVTLI. Gotta remember the L for lift.
So basically VTEC.
Yes, this is actually VTEC. The VVTi, that's not VTEC. That's VTEC. I think. I think.
He thinks.
Hey, you're the one who works at a Honda dealership, not me.
Man. I'm not gonna talk shit about Honda because they might fire me for that. But here, I'll give you guys a first look at my motor mount, engine mount. Check that out. That is lovely. Do you know how bad this is on the freeway and on city driving? It is horrible. Where's that piece that I broke right off? Where did I put it? Oh, that sounded horrible. I thought I gave it to you. I thought I showed it to you guys. Oh, here it is. That just broke right off. Oh! Dude, that thing is dry rotted, or whatever you want to call that.
You should show him how responsible owner you are.
Damn, slow down, bro.
Handicap transport right there.
Yeah, he's fucking.
You show him how responsible.
Yeah,
You're missing a bolt.
I'm missing a bolt, but I will go get it right now. And dude, I can't believe that thing is clapped. But I already started to disassemble it. I got the air pump out. It's really simple. It's only held on by two 12mm bolts right here. Get that out. Undo the clip right here for this harness. And right here, unplug the air pump. Move this big harness out of the way. Get those two hose clamps loose out of the way so you can pull out the pump. Throw away the pump because we don't need that. No, I'm just playing. You got to keep it because you got to go get your car smogged in California. But you are now we're removing the 14, one right here, one right there, two right here, and the two 14mm nuts underneath. Sometimes I wish I took better care of my cars. Man?
Inside, almost in there. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. There we go. There it is. This thing's fucked.
Holy cow.
What?
This wasn't fucked. This was
Damn.
Fucked.
Looks like
Looks like one of your motor mouths on a bad day.
damn.
See, that's why I went
You know,
solid.
I could say something, but you're posting it on YouTube, and I don't want you to get demonetized. But yeah, it's been railed worse than some videos that you could see on the internet.
I can see why it was grinding metal on metal. It was actually taking off the paint right there. Does the camera focus on this? Wow, that is really bad.
That's beyond bad.
Oh.
She even double clutch.
As much as I can right here.
do the same thing too. Go OEM or something top notch aftermarket.
I'm not lifting you. Oh. Where's the third hole at? You see that?
Wait, what? Did you get the wrong mount?
No.
I think it got bent during shipping.
Right. Bent during shipping, you say. And there just happens to be a very loose mounting nut on your car. Wait, are those two already tightened or no?
They're hand tight.
Oh.
So I guess I could probably shift it around, but I doubt it. It looks...
See?
Oh.
Yeah, see?
Oh.
What the fuck's your third bolt? Is this it?
No, let me go grab it actually, because I was missing it.
Oh. Mr. OEM, huh? Mr. OEM, huh?
Oh. Oh, there it goes.
Did you want to start across there?
No. Fuck no. What was that?
That's my annoying tone. It's the only way I can hear it. All the other ones are too soft.
Okay, cool. See? They're hand tight now. So now I gotta get those. What are you talking about?
Hell no. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. There you go, I got him in there. The beautiful thing of having small Asian hands. Right, something?
What?
The beauty of having small Asian hands.
Oh, yeah. Sebastian,
Yes.
you're not using adequate protection.
What do you mean?
Your rubber ripped.
You are right. Ah. I see what you did there. Did you? I'm gonna raise the car up a bit.
Ah, fuck.
What happened? Oh.
I have it. It's in my hand. I have the socket in my hand.
Hold on, let me raise the car up because I have no space.
Okay, start tightening a little bit. There we go, you're in.
It's good. Alright. Oh. That wasn't bad.
Yeah, at least you didn't have to hit the scratch card off.
Oh, I did not want to do that because I bought new clips for them.
You have to destroy them to get them off, huh?
You destroy them when you take them off.
Oh, fun, huh?
Yeah. Wait, why am I taking? No.
Wait, what kind of clips are they?
They're the one single time ones. The ones that have like, they're like it's a rod and it's just little.
It's in the clips.
Okay, so.
Put the air pump back on.
Yeah, fucking bullshit pump. You know what's funny? Toyota stopped making these, so once your car has a check engine light for this, good luck finding one from Toyota, brand new.
Smog pump.
Smog pump.
They're like, fuck you guys.
When's the last time Toyota made a 1ZZ?
08.
Wow.
But this is a 2ZZ, sir.
Yeah, I think the law is like 10 years.
So confirmed, Celica GTS 2000 to 2005 passenger side engine mount works on a Corolla XRS. Yay! What else? I gotta change this. I think this is why my throttle's getting stuck. Last time I had it on top.
What?
Japanese cars don't need 16. I mean, yeah, 16. I think it's 10, 12, 14, and 17.
Yeah, I don't see 15 or 16.
I think this is why.
There's also 24 millimeter. Jay doing the business?
I wish it could do better, but it's good. It's profitable.
I don't care your other locations then. Yeah, the ice cream shop.
The ice cream shop's always pretty good. All I gotta do is just go and
Collect your money amount.
yeah, that's really good.
Over there with your questionable maxi tunes.
Hey man, I fixed the lag on them. So it turns out both video cards had bulging capacitors. So yeah, I had to fix that. God, that's why I hate the Maximum tunes. They're just fucking piles of shit.
You want to buy yourself a Maxi Tune 5?
It's dead, dude. It's honestly dead.
Yeah, Namco fucked that one in the ass.
Yeah, they could save it, but they're choosing not to do anything about it.
It's like, why bring it back? It's like, you drop the ball with 4, then bring it back with 5, and leave it in the dust once again.
My Namco.
That's what you call a cock tease.
Namco's really fucking that one, or really screwing everyone up with that.
Yeah, I spoke to the Namco representative at IAPA, and they said they were going to roll out with an update that summer. Lying ass.
Yeah. Stop. Holy shit. Where did that cat come from?
Oh shit, free kitten. Catch it, Daniel.
And that is it. I already got that positioned on top. Got that set up properly, and I feel like that's it. I feel like this car is going to be a lot better now. Thank you guys for watching this damn near 40 minutes of torture and pain. But